Introduction of the flyover bridge. Building a flyover bridge is a massive engineering feat that involves three main phases: planning, substructure, the legs, and superstructure, the road. Here is a breakdown of the steps required to build one. 1. Planning and site preparation. Before any concrete is poured, engineers must conduct extensive surveys, traffic study, to determine how many lanes are needed and where the exits should be. Soil testing. Geotechnical. Engineers drill deep into the ground to see if the soil can support the weight. Utility shifting. Underground pipes, electric lines, and internet cables must be moved so they aren't crushed or blocked. The foundation. Substructure. Since a flyover carries thousands of tons of moving traffic, it needs a rock-solid base. Piling. Massive holes are bored deep into the earth, 20 to 30 meters, and filled with reinforced steel and concrete. Pile caps. A thick concrete slab is placed over a group of piles to distribute the weight evenly. Piers. Columns. These are the vertical pillars you see supporting the bridge. They are cast using heavy-duty molds, formwork, and high-strength concrete. Placing the spans. Superstructure. This is the part that actually carries the vehicles. Girders. These are the long horizontal beams that connect one pier to the next. Bearings. Small pads are placed between the pier and the girder. These allow the bridge to expand in the heat and contract in the cold without cracking. Deck slab. Once the girders are in place, a concrete deck, the road surface, is poured on top. Finishing touches. Crash barriers. Concrete walls on the sides to keep cars from falling off. Expansion joints. Small gaps in the road surface that allow the bridge segments to move slightly. Wearing coat. A final layer of asphalt for a smooth driving experience. Drainage and lighting systems to ensure rainwater doesn't pool and that the road is visible at night. This is how you construct a flyover bridge, which can avoid traffic jams and create smooth traffic flow. Follow us for more content regarding civil engineering solutions.